How to change your language to any language in League of Legends, that's exactly what I will show you in this video. So let's get right started. Alright, so first of all, if you're inside of League of Legends, you're gonna have to close the launcher and click sign out. There we go. And then you're gonna have to do the same thing with right client, close it down. And so now we're gonna have to open up the path where League of Legends is installed. So the easiest way to do that would be to just go into the properties with a right click, and then to just go ahead and click on open file location right here. Alright, so usually this would be on your C disk and under Riot Games and then Riot Client. Except actually no, we have to go back one to Riot Games and then choose League of Legends here, and in this folder we're gonna have to scroll down until we find the League client, like so, this one. And so we're gonna right click on that, and then we're gonna have to go to send to and click on desktop, which will create a shortcut. So there we go, that's all we have to do here. So we can close that again now and close that as well. So here's our shortcut, our new shortcut. It's important that you use this new one. So we're gonna have to go ahead and open up the properties again. And so inside of the target box right here, we're gonna have to go all the way to the end. And then what you wanna do is type 1 space and then 2 hyphens like so. And then you wanna type in locale equals. Then you want to type in the language code that you want, and there's going to be a list in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can just copy and paste it from there. In my case, I'm just going to try Spanish, so that would be the code for Spanish. And so now let's click on apply and click on OK. Alright, and then we can already open League of Legends by double clicking that shortcut. And now we're going to have to log into Riot Games. Alright, so let's click on that arrow to sign in, and now it starts up League of Legends. Alright, and then as you can see up here, it's currently downloading the language files, so that's going to take a little while, so let's wait for that. Alright, and then once it's done with that, we can start playing. You got this.